Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can update apps in Ubuntu. So if you have a Ubuntu or Linux operating system, you can try to update the software, update the apps. So let's start. Right now I don't install Ubuntu, but I can guide you. So you can try to search the Ubuntu official website. Here we go. Install additional application. Here, brief description for you. An app application is software that has a graphical user interface (GUI), and the Ubuntu development team has chosen a default set of applications that Ubuntu thinks makes very useful for most day-to-day tasks. So however, you will certainly want to install more applications to make Ubuntu more useful to you. And to use an application, you can use App Center. So you can click App Center icon in the dock, or search for software in the activities search bar. When App Center launches, search for an application or select a category and find an application from the list. Select the application that you want to install and click install, and you will be asked to authenticate by entering your password. Once you have done, that installation will begin. The installation usually finishes quickly but could take a while if you have a slow internet connection. And of course, if you want to update the app, same way, you have to click or go to the App Center, search the application, and you can update from there. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.